Doing the software emulation with QEMU. What if we added KVM into it? Let's stop this process and can enable KVM option to it. Okay, it's going again. So it's much faster, just because it makes use of the processor built-in support of virtualization. We'll stop here and move on. I think this can give you some impression with what is QEMU. If you have any software you want to test, but you don't have the hardware, or you don't want to reinstall to another operating system, you can try this QEMU, and it will behave just like you have a specific hardware.